So in this session we are going to learn how to use edit text. Edit text is nothing but a text box. So here I will set the relative layout. Mostly I prefer for this session relative layouts only. And I will create one text, edit text. So edit text, and this will be the match parent, and the text will be the height will be the wrap content, and ID will be edit text edit box. I will give the name, and I will put this into the center. So center in parent, that is true. Text alignment, which will be in the center. Hint, I think you know placeholder if you are aware of HTML. So that is placeholder. The hint is same like placeholder. So enter here. Now I think as you can see here the text box, and this, instead of this, I want a button. So button match parent wrap content, and then I will give the ID Android ID equal to ID and the button. So I have created a button. I will put this as Android layout below ID edit box. So I will give the text so that it is visible. Android text, click me, and I will put this little below. So Android margin top, and it will be around 30 if I put for now, and I will close this. So as you can see here, I have text box here, button. So what I have to do is, I have a text edit text, or you can say text box. Whatever data I am getting from this text box, whatever I will enter in this text box, I want that on click of this, it should be displayed in the message. Okay, so what I will do is, I will go here and I have to create the object. So button b1 edit text e1. So b1 equal to find view by id r.id dot button, and e1 equal to r.id dot edit box. So I have to give semicolon. Now what I have to do is b1 dot set on click listener new on click view dot on click, which will generate a method. So maybe you are thinking that how this is getting generated. So it auto suggest, or if it is not suggesting, you can create yourself. So what I have to do is b1 dot, it will suggest on click listener new. Once you will press on click, or you will type on click, it will automatically suggest. Okay, and as you can see, it is a view, and here it's come from the android.view.view class, and here you are getting dot dot dot, means there are some functions inside this which will get auto generated. So once you click, it will get auto generated. I will take the value of this e1. So you can put inside a string also, string message equal to e1 dot get text dot to string, and after that I will display somewhere. So I will use toast dot make text get application context, and here I have to pass the message, and then the timing len dot sort dot show. So let's run, and then now if you click on button, you will get the empty message because we don't have anything. So here I will type Android demo, and I will click on this. You will get the Android demo. Suppose you want to set this text to a text view. So what we will do, we will go here, and here we will create a text view, and this will be match parent, and the width will be height will be wrap content, and here ID will be text view. It will be below button. I will give the margin top. I will give the 30 dp, and I will give some text so that I can see where it is. Android text. If you see here it is. So what I'll do is I'll put it in the center, text alignment center. Now you can see, and I have to close this. So this element has been closed. So I will take this ID, go to the main activity, here text view, I have given the name. So text view equal to find view by id r.id.text view. You can give the same name, there is no issue. And here I will set that text view set text and message. Now let's run demo, and I click on this. As you can see, text has been changed. So thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can ask me.